Hello, everyone. In this episode, we're going to do a little bit of a fun topic, multimodal generative AI application. It's a talking face video from a single image. So we have been talking about how LLM can be a chatbot and also how a speech voice can be added so the talking chatbot we can have. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually have an image of face talking so that you can use it for a chatbot. Okay. So this is an extension of the lecture 13 of the speech processing, and also some of the LLM application with the chatbot. So we can have a talking face chatbot financial advisor eventually. Okay. So here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to have my face. Um, Let me just show you. Here's my face. It's the file name is myface.jpg. All right. So I put it on my Google Drive, and you can take a selfie and have your face um, to do that. So, and I guess today the what we already know is from lecture 13, we have the talk to speech API. So we have done these kind of things, but we need to clone the voice. So I'll record my voice and then have clone it, and then whatever text message it is, it will come in my voice, and then um, have animate a single portrait image to a face using sad talker app. Um, um, yeah. So why this matters in finance is it's increasingly used in finance for personalized client communication, automated reporting, training videos, and investor content, and understanding how this tool work is very useful um, in the um, many financial context. Okay. So first, this one actually, because we need to process video, we need to make an artificial video. We do need GPU. It's about like 7 minutes, 6 to 10 minutes of a time to run. Um, and as usual, we first set up the Google Colab and have the OpenAI access, the key here. And there are a bunch of dependencies here for the audio and SAT talker. Um, so movie PY, uh, COQUI, TTS, and all these packages needs to be installed. Um, Some of them gets outdated and you need to have patches and yeah, you need to figure out. I guess these days with vibe coding, you can quickly find out the dependency, how they get updated from Claude or ChatGPT, so you can do that. Uh, so here is the set talker from the GitHub. So we are going to install that from this address. Yeah. And then again, there are a lot of these compatibility issues with the uh, NumPy and these things. So we need to basically patch these files here. All right, so these are just technicalities of making the set talker work based on function. Um, and then the let's download the pre-trained model using Bash. So here is the model. We have a bunch of models here. And now let's load my image. So again, I saved it in my Google Drive, so I'm reading it from here. And here's my face. And then also what we have done in many past classes, we have an OpenAI client here. Open it up. And then let's have this text we want it to say, the video image, to generated image to say, hello, I'm a generative AI analyst. Today we demonstrate how multimodal AI can animate a still photograph into a talking face video using text-to-speech and facial animation models. So this is the message that we're gonna make the short video to do. Okay. And well, I give an option basically just have a preset voices rather than cloning mine. So for example, here the Nova voice is like a female voice.
Hello, I'm a generative AI analyst. Today, we demonstrate how multimodal AI can animate a still photograph into a talking face video using text to speech and facial animation models.
But instead of doing that, I actually recorded my voice here. Hello, this is a generative AI analyst, and I am recording my own voice for cloning. Note that the message that I said is different from the text message. I'm going to put it out in my talking face. It's just for my voice cloning. Okay. And we can indeed clone it. It's not the best state-of-the-art model, so the voice is a little different. Hello, I'm a generative AI analyst. Mein letzter Coordinat den Delphi. Today, we demonstrate how multimodal AI can animate a still photograph into a talking face video using text-to-speech and facial animation model. Okay, so that doesn't sound like me, but well, I guess it's a cheap cloning. Of course, you can use a more time-consuming, larger, more sophisticated models. But here is basically to the sad talker now, face animation. So this is a fairly long, like it takes about 6 to 10 minutes to run on GPU T4 runtime. So, but it did. I actually pre-run it before recording this video. And here is the voice. The face looks a little bit bigger eye than mine, but let's see. Hello, I'm a generative AI analyst. Mein letzter Coordinat den Delphi. Today, we demonstrate how multimodal AI can animate a still photograph into a talking face video using text-to-speech and facial animation model. Okay, so this is maybe not the most sophisticated one, but I guess it sort of is similar to me. Voice, I disagree, but well, it did speak and the mouse was moving from a still image. Okay, yeah. So then you can save it, of course, and show it. So this was to show you how to, in practical implementation, how we make a financial advisor where actually there is an image talking to the message that the LLM is going to send to the user. All right. Well, thank you for watching this episode.